Recon, man. We got us a Nissan Maxima with some seat repairs, steering wheel repair, and we got an F350 with 2 seat repairs. Split there and split there. I got the Maxima prepped up. I'm ready to start hitting it with compound. I haven't started the Super Duty yet. Back in a minute. We got the Maxima seat repaired up and the steering wheel all prepped and ready for dive. Got some decent grain in this. Feels pretty flush, pretty level. I think this seat's going to be saved. So we got the F350 repaired up. We're going to have to hit that one. Wait, hold on. Yep. Gonna have to address that little spot again. Can't get it too hot because of the cloth right there, so I'm gonna have to use some liquid stitch underneath it to hold it in place. I'll do that, then I'll get it dyed up and back with the finished product. We got the finished product on the Nissan Maxima. Pretty good. Seat's got some extra life in it. Where it was all split open, it was all dry rotted and brittle. Now it's all nice and soft and flexible. So that wraps this one up. I'll be back in a couple minutes with the finished Super Duty. I'm back with the finished product on the Super Duty. That split there is liquid stitched. It didn't close up totally, but it's not going to rip anymore. It's locked down. And there was a bunch of rips underneath here and all the way over here. You just couldn't see them. They weren't as pronounced as that one. That wraps this one up. Catch you on the next one. Later.